Today, we're diving into the Canon XA50 Professional UHD 4K Camcorder Advanced Bundle, a powerhouse for documentary and journalism-style productions. This compact and lightweight camera boasts an impressive 8.29 MP, 1-inch CMOS sensor, delivering stunning UHD 4K 30 video recording that captures every detail with exceptional clarity. The integrated 15x optical zoom lens provides versatility, allowing you to frame your shots precisely. With a 3-inch tiltable touchscreen LCD and a handy tiltable viewfinder, you have flexible options for composing your shots. The dual XLR and mic line audio input ensure professional-grade audio capture, enhancing the overall quality of your footage. Equipped with 5-axis optical image stabilization, the XA50 ensures steady shots even in challenging shooting conditions. The DIG-C DV6 processor contributes to seamless operation, making this camcorder a reliable choice for content creators. In terms of connectivity, the mini HDMI output adds flexibility to your workflow, allowing you to easily transfer your content to external devices. The dual SD relay and simultaneous recording features provide backup options, giving you peace of mind during critical shoots. This advanced bundle is a complete package, including essential accessories like a 64GB high-speed SDXC memory card, card reader, wide-angle and telephoto lenses, filter kits, macro lens kit, graduated color filter set, spare Canon replacement BP828 battery, rapid charger, LED video light, mini condenser mic, full-size tripod, lens pen, cleaning kit, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. In summary, the Canon XA50 Professional UHD 4K Camcorder Advanced Bundle is a comprehensive solution for content creators seeking top-notch video quality, audio capabilities, and a versatile set of accessories. Whether you're into documentary filmmaking or journalism, this bundle is designed to meet your creative needs. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.